Free of charge, boys.
BADDIE, if they want to see. Shout out to what do we got now? 2.775 subscribers. But yeah, we're putting my D-Max front bumper on today. But do I sound weird? I don't, eh?
You're fine.
Bumper support, maybe put my LCAs on and take this thing for a waff this week or next. Don't worry. Well, long story short, we're just making screwdriver holders. Beautiful.
Yo, G, whipping in the foreign.
Hey, don't worry about it.
No, but really, what is it?
The bumper support mounts and then mount the actual support itself onto these. Mount our front bumper, see what she looks like. Beautiful, done. The front, looking good. Just gonna move on to the back, tighten some arms up, give it a wash, head over the road and do a bit of a shoot.
Slowly, slowly, slowly. Yeah, you're alright, you're clearing, slowly. Yeah, good.
All good?
Yeah, throw back. Oh, yeah, all good.
Oh, sick.
And,
Let me just admire for a little 1 second. In time, just in time. Oh, I don't want to be on the vlog. Bro, don't want to be on the vlog. Wow.
$1,000 candy.
Reset got another Yeezy. Friendly bolt check reminder, my boys. If you've got a low car, going to the track, even a month later after a bit of daily driving, always check your nuts and bolts, mate. As you can see, I'm doing it now. One of them's loose, all their arms are tight, so that's... See what I mean? You never know, you never know. But I'm just gonna tighten the rear LCAs and we'll
No friends in the industry, my brothers been my brothers, man. You niggas ain't no killing me a fact. Yeah, you heard about me, you don't know me more than that. Yeah, I know hey, yeah. No friends in the industry, my brothers been my brothers, man. You niggas ain't no killing me a fact. I was never snapping when I chat before that app. Stood on everything I said and never took it back. Whoa. No friends in the industry, I had to draw the line between my brothers and my enemies, a fact. Niggas let us start beefing